guys, happy Independence Day. I am Arjav and today I'll be telling you how to form a chemical equation in the science chapter Structure of Matter. And today we will take three examples. So let's begin with the first example, which is magnesium oxide. So, firstly, you should know that magnesium oxide contains which elements. Let me tell you that it contains magnesium and oxide, which is also known as oxygen. Second step, you should know the valency of both the elements. But how can you know the valency? Let me tell you that consider the outermost shell as the valency. Let me explain that the K shell cannot have more than 2 atoms and the S shell cannot have more than 8 atoms. So if we add them, we'll get the answer as 10. And you should also know the atomic number of magnesium, which is 12. Then we'll subtract 12 from 10. We'll get the answer as 2. So the valency of magnesium is 2. And you must be knowing that oxygen has 2 atoms. So the valency of oxygen is also 2. Let me go to the third step. So in the third step, we have to write the symbol, which is Mg2 and O2. This is not a formula but a symbol of that formula. Fourth step, we have to take the common factor of both the valencies, which are 2 and 2. We have to just divide 2 by 2 and we will get 1. 1 has no power in science. So let me go to the fifth step. In the fifth step, we have to exchange the valencies and write them as subscripts. Now, friends, as we have taken the common factor as 1, which has no value in this chapter, so even after exchanging, we will get the formula as Mg and O. Mg as magnesium and O as oxygen. So let me go to the second example, which is aluminium chloride. So you must be knowing that aluminium chloride contains elements which are aluminium and chlorine. The valency of aluminium is 3 as its atomic number is 13. So 2 plus 8 is equals to 10. 13 minus 10, which is 3. So the valency of aluminium is 3 and same of chlorine is 1. So we write the symbol as Al3 and Cl1. After exchanging the valencies, we'll get the formula as Al1Cl3, just the opposite of that symbol. We can write Al1, but we can also write AlCl3. So let me go to the third example. Calcium carbonate. It contains elements which are calcium and carbon. Valency of calcium is 2 and of carbon is 6. So then we will take the common factors of both the valencies, which are 2 and 6. We will divide them and we will get the answer as 3. So the valencies are exchanged and we have to write them as subscripts. After writing them as subscripts, we'll get the formula as CaCO3. Ca means calcium and CO means carbon. So hope you have understood how to form a chemical equation. If you like the video, just like it, comment it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye.